Hi everyone, my name is Shivani and I am an aspiring data analyst. I have started this channel to show my learning journey in data analysis. I would love for us to grow and explore together. In today's video, I will be walking you through this Excel dashboard that I created. Dashboards are the best ways to turn raw data into insights, and together we will break it down step by step. Here is the complete view of the dynamic business dashboard. It is designed to track sales, orders, overall profit percent, top performing products, and salesperson performance, all in one place. So let's get started. The first step is to organize your data. I always make sure that my data set is in a tabular format. Once that's done, I convert my table into Excel table. This makes the data dynamic. So if I add more rows later, my pivot tables and chart will update automatically. So next I will add pivot table. This is where the real analysis begins. So what I will do is just click on one cell, any of the cell in the table, and then go to the insert ribbon option, and there I will click on the pivot table. So here make sure that you check on this box, that is add this data to the data model. What it does is it helps us to do calculations easily. So I will make this pivot table in the new worksheet and I will click on the OK button. So first we will learn about what is the sales, what is the profit, and what is the total number of boxes. So for that I'm gonna put the sales value in values. So here we can see the sum of sales is there. Then after that I will also put boxes as well in the values. So now we got total number of boxes, and for the profit we don't have profit yet, so we will put expenses in the values too, like this. So now we have the total number of expenses, total number of boxes, and total number of sales. So by this we can calculate our profit. So for that we have to click on the sales table, like right click on the sales table. We will get the option that is add measure. So here in the measure name field I will write total profit, and then here equal to, then I will give a square bracket, and then I will click on the sum of boxes. Then minus, again square bracket, sum of expenses. Then here I can choose the currency, that is decimal form, and here I will click the OK button. So here it is written that total profit is already exists, that I already did. So after doing that, we can see in our sales table, if we will move down, if we will move down, I can see my total profit here, right? So what I can do is I can add total profit in the values, and now it will show here. So by the same process as we did for the total profit, we can calculate our profit percentage also. So if I will drag down profit percent to the values, I will get the profit percent too. So now I only want three fields, that is profit percentage, sales, and boxes. That's what I have. And now I will just organize them like sales, boxes, and profit. That's how I want it. Yeah. Okay, cool. So now we will make our dashboard. As you can see here, this dashboard. So here I have put down my sales, boxes, profit percent. For this, what we have to do is we have to go to our insert ribbon, and here we can add shapes, right? These shapes you can use, or you can choose whatever shape you feel like adding to it, and you can just play around, or you can use whatever you feel is correct for you. So for our top 5 products, what I'm going to do is I will create a second pivot table, and for that I'm going to put put the product in this rows section. Then I will put the sales in the value section, and then I'm gonna put total profit in the value section. So here we got it. And now what I'm gonna do is, for the category, I'm gonna right click on this, and then I will click on add as a slicer, so that we can change it like this. If we want to see bars, if we want to see bytes, if we want to see other categories, so it will automatically change like this. And I want to see only the top 5 products, so I'm gonna right click here, go to the filter option, and then here I will click top 10, and then here I can only write, because we want only top 5, so I will format it, edit it to the top 5, and then I will click OK. So here I can see the top 5 products like this, and here I can change it with the help of the slicer. So you can see the values are changing. And now I can add the chart to it. I just have to select this whole table, and then I will go to the chart section. Okay, I will go to the bar chart, and then I'm gonna select this one, this bar chart. So we can see the chart is here. And then if I have to put this chart on my dashboard, I will just copy it, and then in the sheet 2 I'm making, I can just paste it like this, and then I can just go to the insert tab, click on the shape tool, select any shape. I'm selecting a rectangle shape for now, and then I will click here like this. I'm gonna make this rectangle a little big, and then I'm gonna and you can edit it however you want to edit. Like now we got our top 5 products and the slicers. You can see I have put the slicers to here. So if I will click on the bytes, everything will be changed. For others like sales, boxes, and profit, I will do the same thing, and then I will edit however I want. Now coming to the salesperson performance, how we're gonna do that? I'm gonna create a third pivot table, and for that I'm gonna put the salesperson performance in rows, right? Then I'm gonna put the sales in values, and then in total profit in the values. Yep, that's right. Expense Then two more things we have to add, that is boxes and profit percent. Yeah, profit percent. Just how we did for the category slices, I'm gonna put the slices to the product also. I can show you. So if I will change the product, the whole dashboard will automatically change. To make the dashboard interactive, I add slices to the fields like categories and products. By doing this, I can filter the whole dashboard by just one single click. Once all the charts were ready, I arranged them neatly in one single sheet. And just like that, our dynamic dashboard is complete. And that's how I build this Excel dashboard step by step. And from starting from a raw data, building pivot tables, adding charts, using slicers, and finally arranging everything neatly in one single sheet and making an interactive dashboard. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'm gonna share more my work with you. So let's keep learning together. Thank you.